Struggling with customer communication. Meet Kayla Green. She runs a swimming pool construction company, retail store, and pool cleaning service. Her challenge? Communicating effectively without using personal phone numbers. Kayla's team often needed customers to send photos of equipment or pool issues. But sharing personal numbers just wasn't an option. The solution lay in a centralized SMS platform, SimpleTexting. This tool allows the EML Pool and Spa staff to manage customer communications seamlessly. They receive instant notifications for replies, ensuring quick response times. The results speak volumes. Since adopting SimpleTexting, customer satisfaction has skyrocketed. Many clients return, eager to use their services again. Kayla shares, for service-based businesses, SimpleTexting is a game changer. It simplifies communication with a single business number. Customers prefer texting, it's so much easier than phone calls. Ready to elevate your business communication? Explore the benefits of centralized SMS with SimpleTexting today.